Hi everyone. Well, today we're at the new house. We're just doing the walkthrough. As you can see, got my wreath on the door. So take the camera off the tripod and we'll head inside and check it out. This is the entry. When you come in, this is the study. I'm going to shut the door. Alrighty. Of course I have to undo that one. So this is the office. Open up the door here. And my husband will be using this. Good size office, and of course it's also considered a bedroom since there is a window over here and you have a closet. Even though there's just a powder room here on the main level. Now here is the formal living room. And we have the fireplace over here. And I think my sconces will look fine on each side here. The ones that I had at the other house will do. I don't know if I'm going to put any curtains in here or not. Not sure what I want to do with this yet. For now, everything's just going to be kind of thrown in here. Some furniture in boxes. And the dining room is right here. I may be having to change out this light. I've been able to sell my dining room furniture, so I might have to keep it. I just don't think this light will go with the Mission Oak. This is more blingy, and I was kind of hoping to do something different in here. But like I said, looks like I'm going to have to stick with it. And here's the staircase. And of course, here's the original color of the floors, and we are going darker. It's going to be lighter than the railing here, and I did check it out. And the color I've got picked out will look really nice with that. Not sure what I'll put here in this little curve area. This door goes down to the basement. We'll do that later. Here is the powder room. Sorry. Did the wrong one. So, no frills in here. It does have a cute vanity though. I do like that. I might be painting this a different color. Kind of maybe want to do a little garden theme in here possibly. Okay, and I don't have all the lights on. I'm just going to kind of, because we're getting ready to leave now and I want to keep the lights off. Here's the family room. Lots of windows again. Don't know if I'm going to keep these curtains. Haven't decided. And the fireplace over here. I got to get a TV stand for our TV. Even though my husband thinks maybe we should put it up there because there is a hole to go up there, but I'm not sure. I kind of want to use this for decor. I mean, this is really, really thick. I mean, look at this. Look how deep this is. This is great for decorating. Because as you can see, I have no wall space in here to decorate with. So, this is the breakfast nook. And I think I'm going to move the light over. They had like a buffet over here on this wall. I'm going to put my black cabinet that was the top of my stairs over here. And I think I want to move the light over. Take it off the hook and have it in the center. So I think that will look better. Okay, here's the kitchen. Cabinets are going to go white, maybe with the glaze on it. I haven't decided yet. And my idea is I'm going to do something with the backsplash without demolishing it. And I'm going to make these end caps look nicer too. Possibly do something down here with the island. I don't think I'm going to put any kind of chairs here. And I might be getting rid of these little shelves. They're not really anything you can put on there. So I do have a nice walk-in pantry here. Hold on. Nice and big. I am going to have to repaint this. I think I'm just going to do it all white in here. But this is nice. You know, it's good to have a good sized pantry again. And then, of course, this is the laundry room. They were leaving these, so we have to sell these because I'm going to bring mine. But this is the laundry room here, and this goes out to the garage. So now we're going to come back in here. Let's go down the basement first before we head upstairs. Let's walk over here. Everybody get to see my nice big storage room. So all this carpet is going to be replaced, and down here that's cement floors, but they're stained. So we don't have to do anything with that. I got to get used to all the lights down here. There we go. Let's put some lights on. So here's the projector. And I'm not sure if we're going to hook up our cable box down here or just keep this for movies. We did purchase the pool table, so they're leaving that. And can put a TV over here. You know, we have that really big, huge 52-inch TV in our basement. I think it might be too big for this wall. And it's kind of hard to sit here and watch anything, so. I love this barn door here. And here is the huge basement part that's unfinished. So back here, my husband wants to use this as the workout room. And I think, I don't know, we haven't decided. We have a dry sauna. And if everybody watched Liz's video, you know, Liz at Traditions by the Season showing her sauna in their master bath, that's what we have. We have one of those too. We just didn't put it up in our current home. It was supposed to go in the storage room. So my husband thinks maybe we might put it over in this area somewhere. Not sure yet. This is mainly my storage area. Over on this side, I'm going to be using all this section over here. And like I said, he'll be using this section over here. And right now we're just going to leave it unfinished. Down the road we might have this all fixed in, because right here would be a great spot for a closet, because this would be a bedroom right here. Spot for the closet. We would just come off of this area right here, this section right here, and go across and possibly put some French doors on it. So it'll be a nice big bedroom down here, because there is, which we're going to head in there, a bath with a shower. And this is the bar area over here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. And they had a picture covering. You know, I normally don't see your electrical panels when you first come down. They're usually back in another area. So I'm going to hang a picture here on that. And I don't know. I might get a bistro table to put in this corner. We'll see. So I need to figure out all these lights real quick. I'm going to get them all turned off. So many light switches. I'm not sure what goes to that. Maybe over here. No, wait a minute. Actually, they left. I guess they're going to leave this here. This is kind of cool. You have your dartboard. We actually have a dartboard, but it's an electronic one. Okay, turn that off. That's it. I got to figure out all of the switches around here. Let's see. Oh, there's that one at least. Okay, so over here, like I said, this is where our 2 love seats are going to be from the basement. And this is the bath. And of course, the fan comes on, right? So, and I do like this vanity in here. And this is a huge shower. Check this out. Very big. Very nice. Pretty good sized bathroom. So, all right. Now we'll go upstairs. Back up. Get this light turned out. There we go. All right. Now we'll go upstairs. One more time. Shut the door. All right. Now we're going to go up the stairs and check out all the bedrooms. After we get done here, we're going to head over to the hardwood place, the hardwood floors, and get the color picked out. And so here's the big loft area. Not sure what I'm going to do up here yet. It's a huge area. I like these little niches here. Oh, let me go across. Check out these huge niches over here to decorate. Yeah, this, I'll have to decide what I want to do exactly, because my husband said, I'm only going up there once for you. So it won't be seasonal. Darn. Okay, so this is the master. And this one is much bigger than ours that we have now. I was telling my husband, I said, look where the TV goes. It goes over here. And then I'm like, look where the bed goes. Whoa, I said, I'm never going to be able to see that small TV. that I have in the bedroom right now. So, not sure. I think the 52-inch one would be way too big for this wall here. So, guess we won't be doing that. I don't know what to do. Here's the bathroom. Of course, this is the toilet area. And there are two separate vanities here. Okay. Good size shower with seat. And you have your little vanity over here. And then a big closet. This closet is way bigger than ours. Come in here. So I'm going to have to reconfigure this like we did our other ones, where you get the pieces that have the drawers and the shelves. I'm going to be redoing this. There's no linen closet in here. So I was thinking this little section right here might work out to make it a linen closet with the right pieces. I just get the closet made systems, and I'm just going to get the white one again and figure something out. I think that will work. But I love how big the closet is. And trust me, I cannot fill up this closet with clothes. I don't have that many clothes. I don't even have my closet really filled up. But you know, I had to do we had to put drawers in the other one because I had to downsize a dresser in our room. But geez, I can't even fill up this room with furniture either. All I have is the one dresser, the bed, and the nightstands. Yeah. Okay, like I said, all this carpet here upstairs is getting replaced. And this is the first bedroom. So this will be more of the guest bedroom in here, because it has its own bath. So I'll be using this one as a guest bedroom. Nice big closet in here. Very big closet. Okay. Now let's head out. There's two more bedrooms back here. There is a linen closet here. And this is the next bedroom. Not sure what I'm going to do with this bedroom yet. This is probably going to be a catch-all for right now. And this is the closet. It's got a good size walk-in closet. Really like this. Nice storage. This house has a lot of storage. Okay, probably going to get rid of the curtains. All right, let's go over here. So here's the bathroom that these two share. And so you have your tub shower combo back here and your double vanity. And pretty much all of these, now the vanity down in the powder room and the one in the basement I'm not touching, but the ones up here, I think I'm just going to go white with all of these, and even in the master bath. It has a nice big linen closet here. This will help with some overflow things. But I do like to have towels in the master bedroom, because I'm going to show you where the master bedroom is, where you'd have to walk. Yeah, that's a long ways. And this room I'm going to use as my craft room. I thought these windows were really cute, having these 3 windows. I'm going to use this as my craft room. I think this is the next biggest room, and it has the bigger walk-in closet, which will be perfect for my craft supplies. And I'm going to probably get some new craft room furniture, because I kind of want to do something more of cabinets, you know, like you would have in a kitchen, possibly. Not sure yet. All right, well, that is the house. And, you know, I wanted to paint the railing white, but my husband's like, oh, why don't you just do some touch-ups on it? It does have a few dings in it, so I might just do some touch-ups on it. Okay. Oh, let's go out back real quick. Forgot to go out back. One more time. All right, here we go. So we inherit the big doggy door on the screen. Yeah, that'll be interesting. I think they had like golden retrievers. So this is the yard. You see, much smaller than our other one. Not a lot of huge pine trees or anything. And we're under the covered area. This is the flagstone area here, and I guess they're leaving the pots. And the fire pit area here, and the hot tub's over here. We're probably gonna get rid of the hot tub. I don't think we're gonna keep it. We might get a new one, not sure yet. So I'm gonna come back this way where you can see. that this is the covered area. So this is where that furniture on the back of my patio, my wicker furniture, is going to sit over here. And I'm not sure what we're going to do with a grill because ours is built in. So I would like to have another one built in with natural gas like we have right now. I'm not sure what to do with that yet. I'd like to make an outdoor kitchen here. All right, close everything up, get it locked. All right, so, oh, and like I said, like I'm sure I said, that this is going to go white. So this is going to look a lot better. Darker floors, new carpet. Not going to paint yet. Hold off on the paint. We just don't have enough time to get everything done. I at least want the floors done because I can always do some painting. And you know what? In the breakfast nook here, I think it will work out good. I have to get some more. Might do that brick wallpaper again in this area, on this wall here, that wall there, and then that little wall there. I think that will do. All right, guys. Well, that's it for the video. I wanted to show you, and I will have a video for you once we get the new carpet in and the floors done. So, wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.